Alright guys, stick around if you want to know how to make the perfect roasted red salsa, also known as Salsa Roja. I know I probably butchered that, but stick around, enjoy, let's get it. Grab a healthy handful of fresh cilantro, guys, it is so important. Grab 1 jalapeno, perfect, adds a nice little kick. Grab 3 Roma or Globe tomatoes and 3 to 7 garlic cloves, guys. And let's get at least 1/2 a fresh lemon. Come on. Let's get 1/4 of a white onion and let's quarter it like so. Just 1/4, guys. This is perfect for this quantity. It's 1 serving for multiple people. Chop off the stem of the jalapeno. How you doing? You don't need it. You don't want it, ideally. Chop off the stems for the tomatoes. This is your preference. I don't like them, so you can keep them if you want, but ideally I get rid of them. Next, we're removing the stems from our tomatoes, and we're going to do this fast forward it. And we are having our tomatoes like so, and we may even quarter them. But before we do that, let's peel our garlic clove skins, guys. We do not want the skins. And make sure you have your salt. Salt is key in everything, especially this dish. So now we're going to quarter the tomatoes. I'm doing this because I like my salsa a little more roasted. If you don't want it as roasted, you don't have to quarter them. I just prefer that. Next, throw your fat or oil into the pot. We are using ghee because it's a healthy alternative. And it's time to roast those veggies, guys. How you doing? Throw those veggies in. We're on about medium heat right now. And we want to get a nice char. If you have a barbecue, you can use a barbecue as well. Everything goes in besides the cilantro and the garlic. The jalapenos, the onion, and the tomatoes go into the pan, and we are getting a nice char on everything. Rotate. You want to get an even char on each piece of veggie if you can. You see how it's blackening a little bit? Lastly, we throw the garlic in. We throw the garlic in last because it doesn't take as long. Next, roll out your lime. Get it nice and juicy, guys. We roll it out so it squeezes nice and we get the most juice possible. Cut that that lime in half and get ready to keep it on the sidelines for later. Anyways, we're gonna char. We're charring these for about 8 to 16 minutes. Once they look blackened enough and they're starting to smell really flagrant, let's take them out and throw them into a separate bowl. And just let them chill on the sideline for now, guys. Throw the garlic, everything out of the pot. How you doing? Next, grab your food processor or blender. I need a blender, but I'm using a processor because that's all I have. Make sure we're blending and or pureeing. Next, everything goes in. You'll notice I'm doing it in batches, but I'm doing it in batches because I have limited capacity on what I can do. If I had a blender, I'd do it all at once. Next, we're adding 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm adding a little under 1 tablespoon because it's whole salt, but if you're using ground up salt, just 1 tablespoon. So just blend, guys. And we're done. That's it. Taste and adjust as needed, but we got half the lime, we got the salt, we got the veggies. Plate and enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Enjoy this amazing salsa roja. Cheers.